everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus model. That is the biggest model you can get. The normal one is the S10, and then they also have the S10e. But right here we have the S10 Plus. This came in the mail on the very first day it came out. Didn't get a chance to get it unboxed until today. But I was looking forward to this phone. I'm upgrading from a Galaxy S7. So a lot of you out there I know are rocking the S7 and looking to possibly upgrade to the S10 or S10 Plus. So stay tuned to my channel. I'm trying to do review videos once I get this set up and compare the two, or just basically tell you how I like the new one versus the old S7. So let's unbox this thing. I hope you guys can see good. Let me check the video. Yep, should be good. This is the black one, and look at that screen. First thing I noticed when I opened it up was how big that screen is. Just gorgeous screen. Here's the little cutout that everybody's talking about for the cameras, but to me, that does not look like it's going to be a problem at all. Screen's nice and black, that's black, everything blends in. Here's the actual phone itself. Flip this out of here. This is the black color. Really reflective, really nice looking phone. And you have a charger. The adapter. Also have your Samsung USB connector. So you plug your USB into here, and then it has your Type-C, I believe. And then you have your USB cable here, which you'd use for charging your phone. And you have your AKG earbuds here. So personally have never heard of AKG. Maybe I'm out of the loop. Maybe you guys know about them. But these are, they look like braided. That's pretty cool. I see it does have an inline volume adjuster also on these. So you can adjust your volume or probably answer and end phone calls with this as well, I would think. So I will get these out of the package, give you guys a closer look at them. In the top of the box you do have a Samsung packet in here. So on the back of here is your little pin for taking out your micro SD card and your SIM card. Otherwise, also what you can use is a small paper clip, a thin paper clip, bend it open so it's like this, pointed in, push it in, works great also. Remember that little tech tip. So here the phone is here. Beautiful phone, nice big screen on it. Got the little cutout on the top corner. Here's the back of it. Got your triple camera set up. It does have a screen protector on the front of it, which you can already see. It just kind of goes right around the edge there, up around, and it leaves your dual camera and depth sensor on the front. It leaves that open. So you don't really need to buy a screen protector. It's not tempered glass, it's just like a thin flexible plastic. So, and it's got a speaker on the front also, on the right up here I believe is a speaker here. And it's also got a speaker down here, so you actually have dual speakers on it, which is nice. You have your bottom USB-C input where you charge it from, and a headphone jack. And then you have your volume buttons and your Bixby button on the side there. And you have your power button over on the other side, which would be, like a lot of other people are saying, it would be nice if it was down a little bit lower, because your thumb naturally, say you're holding it with your finger underneath, your thumb naturally would be about here, whereas the button is just up above it here, which is no big deal. actually a guy can get used to it, but people with smaller hands may have their hand down here and have trouble reaching it. So all depends. Micro SD card slot and SIM card slot up here at the top. So overall, beautiful phone. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. I'm going to have more videos on the phone, including probably a first startup video, and once I get it set up I'll let you guys know what I think of it, do a review video, give my thoughts on that versus the Galaxy S7. I do have a case for it I'm going to be reviewing, so stay tuned. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks guys, help grow my channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate it. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys in the future and making more videos. Later.